Hey everyone, Nickel and Diamond here again. You'll have to pardon my voice as I've been pretty sick recently, but wanted to capture some of this on video. The idea is I'm trying to figure out if this paint is too far gone to fix for now. So what I'm going to do is I just wiped it down to get all the dirt away. I'm going to go ahead and clay bar it using the same concoction. A lot of soap and water. Clay bar it really thoroughly, and then see if I can come back in and polish it and show you what the results are. So here we are, taking a look at what's left of the paint on the top. There's still some clear coat there, but it's a little rough, so we're going to take off that oxide layer like we did for the trunk with pretty good success. You can see there's actually a reflection in there. So once we hit this, especially with the last stage of polishing, this will come back pretty nicely and be able to take a good wax or a ceramic coating one day. Then I can delay painting the car for a while. I didn't think I was going to do a 50-50 shot, but this is one single section done with the Jaguar's 205. 205 really makes a mess of everything, but really impressive results. This isn't really a true 50-50 shot, and it's not even done. Or no, this is the Jaguar's 105, the heavy cutting polish. So Jaguar's 105, from this to this, in a single stage. I'm blown away. I'm absolutely blown away. I am speechless. I'm sold on this product for life. I'll come back in after the whole thing has been hit with the 105. Then I'm going to do a fine polish on the whole surfaces with the 205 polish and a non-cutting pad, and then I'll show you the final results. So after the wax, most of the shine has come back, but the clear is still deeply flawed in this part, so unfortunately the hood won't come back ever 100%, but there is still some shine to be had. Next up, I'm going to hit the top with the ultra finishing, the 105 or the 205, now that I've done the 105 step because of how far gone this clear coat was, on a Grietz 6.5 microfiber, and that should give me the final sheen. Then I can do a wax coat on the top like I did for the hood, same thing with the trunk, and then those top surfaces will be ready to deal with all the intenseness of the Arizona sun.